Hi everyone, this is a channel to learn and treat with herbal medicine. Please register for channels to regularly update the latest news. Treating hepatitis B, kidney stones, malaria, eczema are great effects of bitches. However, how to use it effectively is not well known. Fork-toothed breed dogs also call other names such as sunflower or Diep Chau. In the Chinese language, the post-imperial period, diaries or pearls, belonging to the castor family, has the scientific name Phyllanthus urinary L. Effect of bitches. According to Oriental medicine, the bitch tree has a sweet, slightly bitter taste, coolness, has diuretic, antidotal, antiseptic, blood circulation, menstrual, antiseptic, blood, hypothermia. It is often used as medicine to treat liver, kidney, urinary tract, intestinal, and skin diseases. In 1990, there were many experiments showing that berry water from the bark has the effect of increasing urine output, preventing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, kidney stones, reducing bile duct and genital area. Urinary, increased bile secretion. This shows the effectiveness of eradication of kidney stones and excretion of them. 1. Effects in treating hepatitis B. Use 30 grams sage dog, 12 grams sardine, 12 grams to dry algae, 12 grams sealing and 8 grams spent from gathering into one ladder to bring crisp water in the day. 2. Treat viral hepatitis. Use 20 grams of a bitten dog to bring water to the surface 3 times. Add 50 grams of boiled sugar to dissolve, divided into drink 4 times a day. If you have HBsAg results, stop taking the test. 3. Treatment of severe acidic cirrhosis. Use 100 grams bitches to dry and dry the water 3 times. Add 150 grams of boiled sugar to dissolve, drink several times a day for bitterness and maintain 30 to 40 days. Note that in the course of treatment, salt and protein-rich foods such as eggs, tofu, fish, meat, etc. are limited. 4. Cure liver failure due to poisoning, malaria, cholestasis, trematode, amoeba dysentery. Use lower 20 grams European bitter or sweet, 20 grams licorice soil to bring crisp water to drink daily. 5. Treatment of eczema, chronic eczema. Crumple the barking tree into eczema or eczema, it will take days to stop. 6. Treat poisonous boils. In the hot season, children often suffer from toxic boils, sometimes festering easily causes infections or fever. Use a bitch to clean and crush with salt, prepare with cool boiled water, and add sugar to drink. The residue covers the skin of the pimples. 7. Cure malaria. Use 8 grams bitch, 10 grams hammock, 10 grams paint, 10 grams fresh custard leaves, 10 grams wire, 10 grams cardamom, 4 grams toad, 4 grams areca seeds, average lang, and 4 grams apricot. All colors with 600 milliliters of water until 1/3. Drink 2 times before 2 hours of rice malaria. If you do not see any fever, the next time you add 10 grams of the tank. 8. Cure kidney stones. At the Paulists College of Medicine in São Paulo, Brazil in 1990, successful treatment of kidney stones was done in humans and mice after 1 to 3 months for birthing T. Notes when using bitches. Abuse of bitches causes imbalance in liver and bile function. From there, it is easy to lead to liver bottles and cirrhosis. Although there are many good therapeutic effects, but bitches still have side effects, so you need to read carefully, as well as consult a doctor before taking. Here are some key notes. 1. Do not use if you do not have liver disease. For people with liver or biliary diseases, the use of serrated bitches to support treatment will be very good. However, this is a curative plant, should not be taken daily to prevent disease, because for normal people it is easy to cause injury, imbalance of liver and bile function. From that, it is easy to lead to liver bottles and fibers, liver. 2. Do not use to sharpen daily drinking water. This is a curative plant that does not work as a tonic, so you are not allowed to consciously drink water daily. Abuse has the risk of disrupting red blood cells, thereby weakening the immune system, damaging liver function. 3. Risk of infertility. There is a lot of information to suggest that drinking water from a bitch can constrict blood vessels and smooth muscles in the uterus, leading to infertility. Because of the welding properties, it is difficult to overuse the body and overuse it. However, until now, there has been no announcement about this side effect. However, women who have not yet given birth or are of childbearing age should be prevented from drinking.